Hello, friends. Welcome. So excited to give you guys a little sneak peek of the Shine Collective Continuing Education course. We have been working on this for quite a while now and are so excited to introduce it to you because honestly, it is going to answer so many questions that you guys have had about how to use your oils in everyday life. So let's go through here and I'll just kind of show you a couple things. First, we have a welcome video and just kind of introducing the course to you, what you're going to be learning. We have a section on understanding your doTERRA wellness box, how to set it up, how to earn free things, how you get money back. All of those things that you may not completely understand, the perks of the wellness box that comes right to your door, which is amazing, right? We'll then go into some tips and tricks that we have, how to use oils aromatically, topically and internally, how to use and clean your diffuser, which carrier oil you should use, how to make a custom roller blend. We have safety and dilution guides. This is a question I get all the time, so I have outlined it here for you. Next, we'll go into using oils to improve specific health concerns. So here we have health, energy, and motivation. Really kind of dive into the supplements, not just Lifelong Vitality, you guys, but every supplement doTERRA has. Did you know that those are actually the most popular products that doTERRA has? So you guys will be learning a lot about that. Oils to support your immune system, respiratory system, self-care, get rid of toxins in your beauty products, sleep, stress, and mood. We have an entire section on kids, you guys, how to have, use oils safely with your kids, how to use oils to reduce chemicals in your cleaning routine. We talk about our annual spring cleaning challenge, and then dive into our annual 30-day spring cleanse and restore group. That will help you learn how to use essential oils to detox your body. We discuss how to use oils for digestion, exercise, metabolism, healthy weight loss, pain management. You guys, so many good things here. And then we're going to end it with all of our favorite resources, books, apps, websites, an ebook library. So many good things. doTERRA's podcasts, 150 ways to use the top 10, all of the different blend names if you get a little bit confused of what those are in your resource books. You guys, this is a lot of work and a lot of joy because we're so excited about this. Now I want to just show you one of the sections so you can kind of see how it's going to look. So here we are going to just get straight into the point in each of these sections. Okay, we're talking about daily things you can do to support your immune system. You guys, we're giving you specific things. We're giving you diffuser blends and specific oils to be using, okay? Action steps to take when there is a threat going on. We're talking about very specific things for you to do in your home. Do you see all these diffuser blends, you guys? You see the exact recipes for the Flu Bomb Gargle. We talk about diet, what oils to take internally. We talk about oils to help you sleep when you're not feeling well. And at the end of every section, you guys, we're giving a diffuser blend and a roller blend to help with everything, okay? So as you can see here, you are going to get diffuser blends to help with respiratory, roller blends to help with respiratory. Do you see how this works? When we talk about enhancing self-care, you guys are getting roller blends to use for perfume, okay? And different ways that we can help get rid of toxins in our home. We give you tips of what oils to add to your lotion. Just, you guys, just fun stuff. Things that you for sure are going to want to know as you begin using your oils, okay? And even if you've had your oils for a while now, hello, isn't this amazing of all of the stuff that you can learn? So we're very excited to bring this to you. You will get a link and you'll be able to enroll in the course. We will be able to see everyone who enrolls. So please just be sure that you don't share this with someone who's not part of the Shine Collective. But guess what? If you have someone who would really love access to this and you think that it would help them in their lives, you can share oils with them and they will become part of the Shine Collective and then they can have access to this. So there's lots of exciting things here in this program. Hope you'll take advantage of it. Claim your free gift card from us as a thank you. And we just want to say, how proud we are of you guys for being advocates for your own health, taking your health into your own hands, and really being that confident provider for you and your family when it comes to dealing with minor health concerns that come up in your home. So excited to bring this to you. Really excited to hear what your favorite parts are and how you're enjoying it. So thank you for letting us bring this to you. We are very, very excited.